So hello guys, in this particular video I'm going to give you the idea how we can upload portfolio in into freelancing website. So this is one of the best platform where I love to work. This is freelancer.com. So this is just a overview of our account. Just go to freelancer.com, then go to dashboard, then go to view profile. So here's an option where you can add portfolio. So in this video I'm going to add portfolio step by step so that you can get idea and you can also try to upload your portfolio in the same way. So first of all we go to manage, then here's the option to add portfolio item. So let's go to add portfolio item. These portfolios are already uploaded in my Upwork account, so I'm going to copy down the information from Upwork and going to paste inside the freelancer. But you have to make sure all the information should be correct and must be perfect. So first of all, go to, this is my case study, maybe portfolio item. Just copy this information and paste inside the, got it? So this is just like a headline. I told you I have already created this kind of portfolio inside the Upwork. So I'm just going to copy down from Upwork to Freelancer. Add the images, then add some more images. So in this way, you will simply add the headline of the project portfolio as well as project portfolio description, then images, then provide the skill set which is relevant to our project. So in this case, website design, Wix, and you have to also add some more skills into this particular portfolio. So let's go to the profile section where you can just add skills, just make it sure Amazon. So Amazon. So make sure you have to also delete some of the skill set, because in normal account you are only allowed to add only 20 skills. So in this case I'm going to delete this one, then this one, just Amazon, then Amazon FBA, Amazon ads. So just make sure you got to remove some of the skill set here. So show limit of file. Now go to Amazon ads. So we have selected Amazon FBA, Amazon ads inside the skill set, so that these skills going to utilize into our portfolio. Now Amazon, still not appearing, maybe refresh. to one more time for edit. Now Amazon. And go to edit. Amazon ads and view. Okay, so that's all. So in this way you can simply add your skill set, and that's all. That's it from my side. So in this way, just simply add the portfolio, and just you can add as number as. So in this way, you can simply add as many as your portfolio, your case study, your previous success story to display into the freelancing platform, so that your profile will get noticed in front of customers, in front of potential prospect, so that they will going to hire you. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. That's it. Bye bye. Take care.